Hey kids, welcome to Facts for Kids. Today's fun facts are gonna be about dolphins. Wow, dolphins. I love dolphins. Whee! All right, you ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. Dolphins can swim up to 7 times faster than the fastest human swimmer. Whoa, 7 times faster. They're like race car drivers of the ocean. That is nuts. All right, ready? Fact number 2. Dolphins have between 80 and 100 teeth. Whoa, that is a lot of teeth. That is nuts. Seriously, that's nuts. Fact number 3. Dolphins have 2 stomachs. What? One is used to store food. The other is used to digest it. Wow. I wish I had 2 stomachs. That means I could eat whatever I want. Crazy. Ready? Fact number 4. Dolphins breathe air through their blowhole located at the top of their head. Wow. That means they're mammals. They don't actually have gills. They breathe through their blowhole. Whoa, that's nuts. Ready for fact number 5? All right, here we go. Some dolphins can hold their breath underwater for 30 minutes. Wow. I mean, I can only hold my breath underwater for like, I don't know, 30 seconds. Can you imagine doing it for 30 minutes? Wow. Crazy. All right, fact number 6. If a dolphin gets sick, other dolphins will actually help push it to the surface of the water so it can breathe. Wow, that is so nice of other dolphins. They will help a sick dolphin and actually push it up so they can breathe through their blowhole. Wow, dolphins must be really nice. All right, folks, ready? Fact number 7 about dolphins. Every dolphin has a signature whistle it uses to identify itself. What? That means that it can have a whistle and everyone else will know who it is even though they can only hear it. Wow, that's kind of like a voice. Like if you were yelling from across a room, your family would be able to recognize your voice. With dolphins, it's the same thing, but with whistles. Ooh, I can't whistle. That makes me sad. But dolphins can, because they're awesome! Alright kids, that has been 7 fun facts about dolphins. I'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen! See ya! Hey kids! Today we're gonna be talking about peanut butter. That's right. Did you know that it takes 540 peanuts to make 1 jar of peanut butter? Wow, 540 peanuts. Did you know that there is no butter in peanut butter? What? No butter? What? Crazy. Americans spend over $800 million each year on peanut butter. What? $800 million? That's a lot of peanut butter. America has had 2 presidents who were peanut farmers. Can you name them? It was President Thomas Jefferson and President Jimmy Carter. 2 peanut farmers. Wow. Some people have an overwhelming fear of getting peanut butter stuck on the roof of their mouth. Do you know what that fear is called? It's called, ready? Because this is hard to pronounce. It's called arachibutyrophobia. Whoa. I mean, I got some peanut butter stuck in my mouth, but I don't lose any sleep over it. All right, another fact. The world's largest peanut butter factory produces 250,000 jars every single day. Wow. Could you imagine eating 250,000 jars of peanut butter? Good. And the last fact for peanut butter today: if you're an average American kid, you'll eat about 1,500 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches before you graduate from high school. What? 1,500 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches before you graduate from high school? That is nuts. Wow. All right, that has been 7 fun facts about peanut butter. I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.